Compost, working and its significance. Compost is very great thing for your plants, growth and healthy. Your plants will be more healthy if you use compost that are homemade. You should not use chemical fertilizers because they can harm your plant. But if you use homemade fertilizers or compost, your plants will be healthy and more good. Composting is a method for treating solid waste in which organic material is broken down by microorganisms in the presence of oxygen to a point where it can be safely stored, handled, and applied to the environment. Composting is an essential part of reducing household waste. Importance of compost. Compost is a decomposed organic material such as leaves, grass clippings, and kitchen waste. It provides many essential nutrients for plants' growth and therefore is often used as fertilizer. Compost also improves soil structure so that soil can easily hold the correct amount of moisture, nutrients, and air. You can make your own compost with kitchen waste